Hey everybody, my name is Alejandro Solorio and I'm here to show you how to put together your rodent trap monitoring solution. So we've already activated by inserting the batteries. To learn how to do that, watch our activation video. Now we're gonna go ahead and scan it in and set it up. So I've got my app up and running. I'm gonna go to add device from my menu. I'm gonna go ahead and open the trap up. On my left-hand side, your right-hand side, I'm gonna take my phone and scan in the application, or at least scan in the sensor into the application. I'll fill in the details in just a second, but now I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my mouse trap by go ahead and pressing the power button on once. It's gonna flash green 3 times. It is on, it is ready to go. I'm ready to start monitoring. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this in my desired location. Bam, should be set to go. Leave it a little space so we can get it from the wall. Now that I've placed it, I'm able to begin monitoring. If there is a kill captured, we'll be able to get a notification on our phone via SMS messages and or via our email as well. Awesome, have a great day.